about this bike.
So we've got this 89 GT Vertigo. I'm gonna do some work on it today. Got a bunch of new parts. Try to clean it up, get it in working order, maybe. This bike sat in my parents' garage for about 30 years, and it's been raided for parts over the years, a lot of stuff missing. So we have a lot of stuff that we've bought new, but we're gonna go through some pictures right now, just kind of showing how bad the condition is of this bike. So you'll see this is a gyro model, so we have the original gyro but no cables, so we've got to get those hooked back up. So you can see we've got the original GT decals on this bike. We don't really want to lose those, so what we're going to try to do is get as much of the rust off as we can and clear coat the bike to preserve the patina that it has now with 30 years of sitting in a garage. These pedals will need to be replaced, and the original seat disintegrated the minute we tried to get on it, so that one also is going to have to be replaced. So while we were kind of sad to lose the original seat, we did manage to save the front brakes with new pads and a tune-up.
This is the crank.
The project with the original aluminum rims, one of which I was able to locate on eBay, but by the end of the project we switched over to brand new black rims because, well, they just look cooler. So here we are with some shots of the bike all cleaned up with a fresh coat of clear coat to protect that 30-year-old patina. We got a lot of work done. And in the interest of full disclosure, we did end up taking the bike to a local bike shop just to adjust the cables and to rebuild the lower crank. But overall, we feel pretty good about our little BMX rebuild project.